How to make marshmallows recipe without gelatin. I have a marshmallow recipe without gelatin that is easy to make and tastes just like the regular ones. There's another ingredient we can use that works just the same as gelatin, and it's plant-based. Have you ever heard of agar powder? Agar is something that comes from seaweed. Agar, like gelatin, has no flavor, no smell, or have any color. They are so similar, you'd think. Marshmallow recipe without gelatin. This recipe makes plant-based marshmallows that taste just like the regular ones. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 30 minutes max resting time, 24 hours, total time, 24 hours 35 minutes. Ingredients: 1½ cup powdered sugar, ½ cup cornstarch, 3/4 cup of cold, 1½ cup corn syrup, 3 tablespoons agar powder. Instructions. Step 1: Prepare the baking pan greased with vegetable shortening. Step 2: Combine powdered sugar and cornstarch in a mixing bowl. Dust the baking pan with a spoonful or 2 of the mixture to coat the sides and set aside. Step 3: In a heavy saucepan, pour in the water, granulated sugar, corn syrup, agar powder, and salt. Step 4: Over medium-high heat, bring the mixture to a boil until the temperature reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the sides of the pan with a wet pastry brush to prevent crystallization. Step 5: Turn the mixer on low and cover with a small towel or plastic to prevent the hot sugar mixture from splattering. Step 6: Slowly pour the hot mixture into the mixing bowl on low speed, gradually increase until you reach high speed. Step 7: Continue to whip for 10 minutes. By then, the mixture should be shiny. Step 8: Transfer the marshmallow mixture to the greased baking pan and let it rest uncovered for at 18 to 20. Step 9: After 24 hours, the top should be completely dry. Cut the marshmallow into desired shape. Step 10: Toss the marshmallows in the remaining powder mix, ensuring that all sides are coated. Step 11: Store in an airtight container.